Lot of discussion at present is going on about this Mahakumbha Mela. What is this Mahakumbha Mela? The Mahakumbha Mela 2025 is a highly anticipated event, considered the largest peaceful congregations of people of the world. It is a significant Hindu pilgrimage that takes place every 12 years, and this year's event is particularly special because it occurs after a 144-year cycle, making it a rare and auspicious, very auspicious occasion. The Mela is being held in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, from January 13 to February 26. It has already started from the Pusha Purnima and it will be ended on the day of Mahasivaratri. During the time, people will gather to immerse themselves in the holy water of the Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati rivers, symbolizing purification of the soul and a path to attaining moksha or liberation, mukti. To get the moksha, mukti or liberation, you have to purify your soul by making a bath deep in the Triveni Sangam. This is highly essential for a Hindu to get the moksha. If you are coming to Kumbh Mela this year, you have to take the following activities apart from taking bath in Sangam Ghat. What are these activities you have to do? First, you have to take a diksha. You have to take a diksha from a guru during this Mahakumbha period at Prayagraj. Then, after from diksha, you have to donate to the needy people. It is highly essential to donate to the needy people. You have to do meditation, tapasya, to purify your soul. It is also very essential to do the meditations, tapasya. At the time of taking bath, you have to offer water to different god and goddess, particularly Surya Mahagraha, Ravi Mahagraha. You have to give offer water, Gangajal, to god and goddess. Then you have to make a Pitru Tarpana. Pitru Tarpana, you have to perform Tarpana. After Tarpana, you have to perform Sradha in this Sangam Ghat. It is highly essential. So, these are, apart from Tarpan, you have to do a Jagya. Jagya, these activities are very, very important. Not only you will take a bath, you take a bath, then you have to take the diksha, then donate to needy people, meditation, do the meditation, tapasya, and offer the water to God and Goddess, and do the tarpan, and saradha, and jagya. This Mela lies a thriving economics powerhouse driven by a devotions of an estimated 40 crores people who will converge on the banks of Sangam Ghat. So this is a very, very important event which is going on at present in the Prayagraj. So my appeal to all the devotees whoever have not come and witness this event, I request them to come here and do whatever I have described, do these activities for the purifications of your soul. Jai Hind, Jai Prabhu Sri Jagannath.